number of points about e-cigarettes, where they are, what are the potential up and downsides of them, and how we can go forward. But increasingly we're being asked, should we advise e-cigarettes? Should we advise against them? And I think that's the dilemma clinicians have been put in, and they need some solution.
Our main message is that there's been a tremendous amount of success in tobacco control, both at the United States as well as internationally. An important thing to remember, we've made progress, but in the 5 minutes that we've been talking here today, 5 Americans have died from their combusted cigarette use, and about 60 people worldwide have died from their combusted cigarette use. We can do better.
This video content is copyrighted by Mayo Foundation for Medical Education and Research.